Hello, so we begin the fourth adhyay called Jnana Karma Sannyasa Yoga. In this adhyay, Krishna tells Arjuna that this ancient science of yoga goes back to the beginning of time. He's telling him that both of them have come in many different forms before, but the only difference is Krishna remembers his previous births, but Arjuna doesn't. This shows us that Krishna is Satchitanand, such absolute truth, Chit, absolute consciousness, Anand, absolute bliss. Adhyay 4, Shloka 7. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanir bharata abhyuthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srijamyaham. So Krishna is saying whenever there is rise in adharma, whenever there's increase in chaos, he manifests his energy on the physical plane. In this adhyay, we also get to understand how the different avatars of Vishnu come on the physical plane at a specific time for a specific purpose. In Hinduism, Lord Buddha is considered an avatar of Vishnu, and we see that Lord Buddha came to the world when materialism was rampant and materialists were completely misusing the Vedas. The core, one of the teachings of Lord Gautama the Buddha can be seen in the Four Noble Truths in Buddhism. And the core philosophy, what Buddha taught, was to embrace the silence, go more and more out of the thinking mind and find that space of non-duality, Advait, and the oneness which connects all of us. In this adhyay, Krishna is telling us the same thing. He's telling us to embrace the silence within us through meditation. He's telling us to go more and more out of the thinking mind because wisdom cannot be reached through thought. I highly recommend Jiddu Krishnamurti's many lectures and books for anyone who's interested in learning or understanding and experimenting more on this. So in this adhyay, my key takeaway is Krishna is asking each of us, are you willing to take that beautiful long inward journey towards the self? He's asking us, are you willing to be fluid like water and become a hollow instrument to his flow? That's what is the key takeaway for me in this adhyay. Jai Shri Krishna. Thank you for watching.